So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 4 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Holiness and Divine Call. So guys, this video will be about the call of Moses. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, I will turn aside and see these great sights. In the statement above, the great sight referred was the A. Mountain that was shaken. B. Burning bush that was not burnt. C. Thunder and lightning on Mount Sinai. D. Thick smoke on Mount Sinai. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here. Burning bush that was not burnt. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So here we have the next question here. Question number 2, it says, Moses was keeping flock for his father-in-law on Mount A. Gibeah, B. Nebo, C. Tabor, D. Horeb. So guys, the answer to this question is option D. That's Mount Horeb. So that's it for this question, guys. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. So we have here question number 3. It says, Who am I that I should go to Pharaoh? When Moses resisted God's call with the statement above, it portrayed his A. Incompetence, B. Lack of eloquence, C. Stubbornness, D. Lack of strength. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. That's lack of eloquence. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, here's the last question. Question number 4 of 4. It says, In the burning bush, God revealed himself to Moses as the God of A. Fire, B. Peace, C. Deliverance, D. War. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. That's deliverance. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally, guys, I want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. So you can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.